Hi everyone. If you're prepping for the DPWH Project Engineer Accreditation exam, this video is for you. Let's get started.
1. From the time the project is bid to the issuance of the notice to proceed, how many calendar days are required for a project to be entitled to a contract price adjustment? A. 60 CD. B. 90 CD. C. 120 CD. D. 150 CD. Answer: C. 120 CD. 2. Where should the computation of contract price escalation for a project awarded through public bidding be based and reckoned? A. Date of notice to proceed. B. Date of contract signing. C. Date of bidding. D. Date of project completion. Answer: C. Date of bidding. 3. Where should the computation of contract price escalation for a project awarded through simplified bidding be based and reckoned? A. Date of bidding. B. Contract approval. C. Date of notice to proceed. D. Date of project completion. Answer: B. Contract approval. 4. What minimum percentage of the scope of work should be workable or free from obstructions for the processing of advance payment? A. 10%. B. 20%. C. 30%. D. 40%. Answer: C. 30%. 5. During interim progress billing, what is the maximum percentage that contracts with an amount of more than 100 million can file for progress billing, while contracts below 100 million can only file up to what percentage of the contract amount? A. 90%, 85%. B. 95%, 90%. C. 100%, 95%. D. 85%, 80%. Answer: B. 95%, 90%. 6. In no case shall the total sum of liquidated damages exceed what percentage of the contract price, at which point the contract shall automatically be taken over by the procuring entity or awarded to the same qualified contractor through a negotiated contract. A. 5%. B. 7%. C. 10%. D. 15%. Answer: C. 10%. 7. The early warning stage happens when the negative slippage of the project accomplishment is A. 3%. B. 4%. C. 5%. D. 6%. Answer: C. 5%. 8. The terminal stage happens when the negative slippage of the project accomplishment is A. 10%. B. 15%. C. 20%. D. 25%. Answer: B. 15%. 9. The ICU stage happens when the negative slippage of the project accomplishment is A. 5%. B. 10%. C. 15%. D. 20%. Answer: B. 10%. 10. For single-span bridges, the bridge length is equal to the span length. A. True. B. False. Answer: A. True. 11. No pipes shall be allowed to pass through beams of school buildings vertically. A. True. B. False. Answer: A. True. 12. Splicing of PVC sheet piles for revetment shall be allowed. A. True. B. False. Answer: B. False. 13. No pipes shall be embedded in columns of school buildings. A. True. B. False. Answer: A. True. 14. When a contract is not mutually terminated, the contractor is still allowed to submit bids. A. True. B. False. Answer: B. False. 15. Pouring permit for PCCP is the same as the pouring permit for bridge structures. A. True. B. False. Answer: B. False. 16. In identifying project location intended for asphalt pavement, which of the following criteria is not appropriate to recommend? A. Drainage facilities are well maintained. B. Location is not in a typhoon belt area. C. Existing base course is stable. D. Flood-prone road section. Answer: D. Flood-prone road section. 17. After a typhoon, a dam measuring 250 m suffered a 40 m breach equivalent to P4.8 million. You found out that it is impossible to close the gap before the onset of rainy months, which may result in total collapse of the dam. If you are the contractor's project engineer, what will you suggest to the DPWH PE? A. Fill the breach with concrete and wait for the rainy season. B. Armor the breached section with gabion mattress and spur dike, and utilize the gap as a diversion channel. C. Temporarily close the gap with sandbags until a permanent solution is found. D. Evacuate the area and recommend permanent relocation of the dam. Answer: B. Armor the breached section with gabion mattress and spur dike, and utilize the gap as a diversion channel. 18. If a project is abandoned by the contractor due to peace and order problems, what recommendation should immediately be submitted? A. Extension of the contract. B. Termination of contract. C. Reassignment of the project to another contractor. D. Suspension of the project. Answer: B. Termination of contract. 19. What should be conducted after the final inspection of a reported 100% accomplished project, before a certificate of final inspection is to be issued? A. Site cleanup. B. Punch list review. C. Exit conference. D. Performance evaluation. Answer: C. Exit conference. 20. This represents the payment of the remaining balance of the contract, including the total retention after the completion of the project. A. Progress billing. B. Interim payment. C. Final billing. D. Retention payment. Answer: C. Final billing.
That concludes our review of the project engineer questions and answers. I hope you found the information useful and that it helps you in preparing for your next exam. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your engineering journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content.